Good morning, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. Let's come together to enjoy the beautiful and unconditional love of special bond over to Ikansh. Oh God, make me a good child, honest and truthful, hardworking and helpful, courageous and fearless. Teach me to know you, to love you, and know that I think and do. We thank you, God, happy heart, orange and sunny weather. We thank you, God, gave us and that we are together. Teach me to know you, to love you, and know that I think and do. Oh God, make our school a place of love and harmony. Bless our GOENKA family and keep us all in unity. Teach me to know you, to love you, and know that I think and do. Over to Avya.
Let's do the positive affirmation. Thank you for sun so bright. Thank you for moon at night. Thank you for my family. Thank you for friends who play with me. Thank you for everything I see and thankful as can be. Over to Nisika.
It is winter, oh so cold, icy so bad, winter is here, Dunya. GOENKA News, January 26, 2021 was the 72nd Republic Day of India, celebrated with high spirit. The students of grade 1 presented the assembly on the same with great enthusiasm. Over to Adira. One finger, turn to a worm, crawl. Two fingers, turn to a rabbit. Hop. Three fingers, turn to a butterfly. Fly. Four fingers, turn to a cat. Meow. Five fingers, turn to a tiger. Over to Sashi. सुन लो सुनाता सबको कहानी, रूठो ना हमसे गुड़ियों की रानी। रे मामा रे, हम तो गए बाजार में लेने को आलू, आलू कुछ न मेला पीछे पड़ा बालू। रे मामा रे, वो तो संकल्प। Nursery dear children came together for all the formations they could gather. Animal kingdom and what they explored. Let's listen to a beautiful story which you can hardly ignore. Utreya. Song manner is what we use for presenting rhymes. We all have a natural in magic time. A and K are set to get in their house beautiful pet. Went to a shop, there fell rabbit, hop, dog. It goes woof, 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 woof. I have a bag. It is a cat. It says meow, meow, meow. I have a pet. He is a mouse. And he says squeak, 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 squeak. I have a pet. It is a bird. And it says tweet, 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 tweet. I have a pet. It is a fish. And it says glove, 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 glove. Let's go to farm, see the barn, and yes, have some fun under the sun. There is a big buffet that we all children play. The cow is naughty, Nappet is not neat. The duck is not tidy, they do not so nice feet. Squawk, squawk, a cow groans and growls. Squawk, 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 a pig grumbles and grumbles. Squawk, 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 a dog far away. And enjoy the chop, chop, chop of old farm truck. The squeak, and then squawk, and then chirp. And go back. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Jam. On MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And his farmy had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo there, and a moo here, everywhere, moo.
Old.
On MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. And with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, hey night there, night everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm.
Mommy had some horse, E-I-E-I-O. And a nay here, nay there, everywhere, nay. On MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And
on his farm has some geese, E-I-E-I-O. They don't hear Hong Kong, they don't Hong Kong, there with a Hong Kong. Here Hong, there Hong, everywhere Hong Kong. Old MacDonald had a fall, E-I-E-I-O. And do the movie together with French fries and burger. great string is strung along the way. Crocodile long and green, the sharpest teeth you've ever seen. Giraffe, so very tall, spreading his legs so he won't fall. Tiger, orange and black, he got strips upon his back. Animals here and animals there. We can see animals everywhere. That's fun a while. Let's take care of them with pride. जंगल में जानवर खेलते हैं जंगल में जानवर खेलते हैं हम भी खेलेंगे ऐसे कंगारू ऐसे चलता है उछलता है कंगारू ऐसे उछलता है हम भी उछलेंगे ऐसे हाथी ऐसे चलता है हम भी चलेंगे ऐसे भालू ऐसे चमकता है भालू ऐसे चमकता है हम भी ठुमकेंगे ऐसे कर देता है
हम भी गरजेंगे ऐसे।
A bad friend, someone who love you when you fall it to love yourself. Like the sad animals can be our best friend too. Wow, Nursery Sandy! Wonderful performance! Wow, awesome! What do you all say? Oh, let us welcome our beloved Srishti ma'am, who is known among all of us for her wisdom and her sunny smile. She charms everyone around and always on her toes like merry-go-round. So let us welcome our dearest Srishti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ananya. Great job, my dear children. Well done. So, our young learners of nursery came together with some information that they could gather as they explored the theme of Animal Kingdom. Agrim, you very rightly said, a best friend is someone who loves you when you forget to love yourself. And animals can be our best friends with all their unconditional love. A very good afternoon, dear children, parents, and teachers. As young children begin looking around their world, they are automatically attracted to things that move, are brightly colored, and are easy to find around them. They are fascinated by the things that make interesting noises and are unpredictable in what they do and how they behave. So, one subject most kids enjoy learning about is animals. Picture books with animal characters are their favorites, and they truly get fascinated by poems and stories about them. I have thoroughly enjoyed this assembly with the elements of rhymes and stories added by Nursery C and D children. As shared earlier, we have been extensively using the method of storytelling and poetry recitation, encouraging children to gather more facts related to the topic of study in order to help them understand it better. So education is not merely pouring information into students' heads, but awakening them to a method for acquiring knowledge through their own powers. providing them with the key to unlock this storehouse of knowledge. And as school, we are aiming to open, awaken, and help our children enter this storehouse of knowledge. I'm sure, dear parents, you are with us in this journey of our GOENKAs as they are learning to learn. We discussed all about Telangana through the art integrated learning in this project-based learning phase that we had. And we are going to culminate it with the project presentation on February 13th titled Telangana, the Treasure Trove of India. Also, on request of some of the parents, we are going to create a provision for our young learners to visit the school in very small groups to reconnect and meet in person with their teachers and probably a few classmates and make a new beginning, start afresh. So with the advent of recent vaccine drive against the virus, a much awaited glimmer of hope has shone across the country. Schools may not go back to the pre-pandemic normal as yet, but there is a way where we can combine technology and space management to strike an ideal balance between the virtual and the real world. Nevertheless, by taking adequate measures and precautions, we can make the physical space safe and COVID-free. It is springtime, new beginning, new mindset, new focus, and new achievements. So let's take this leap of faith and win. With a heart filled with gratitude, once again, looking forward to your support to achieve the same. Together, we can create this experience which our children have been missing out on for a very, very long time. So have a great day, everyone. Stay safe, stay active, stay fit and healthy. Thank you so much for joining on this virtual platform for today's assembly. Have a great day. Over to you, Parasha. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Christy ma'am, for motivating us and always being our guiding force. Thank you all for joining us today and for your